Yes, my peeps. Yes, my peeps. Yeah, man. Back at it again, you know. Yeah. So, that one I know. I tell about one time the Duppy lift up a pickup truck with me and fling me off of the road up on Mount Rasa there. Yeah, man. Back in 2012, you know. Remember the time like yesterday. Remember back in that time, it's like me have an uncle with the drop out from in America, yeah, in the same time, you know. God rest him soul. So it's like down in a Montego Bay, which part me live and thing. I have some business on the city side. Did we go take care of, you know. But from in the morning, one time we make a link on the overseas and thing, and people them cross the waters there and tell me say, yo, yeah, what I go on. I not venture across the side there. In the day there. See, in the morning there. But anyway, through my uncle they drop out now, and I think I did the same weekend. I did the setup. So may have things to deal with in the city, and I say, yo, more left go city. Go take care of what I need to take care of, and then I look at do some boom and left go up a country. I did set up things. So that time I have a black Nissan pickup a drive. You understand? And all signs I said a morning they say, yo, me nothing push out that day. See? But me insist, because I told me a business to deal with, and more come up to go and my uncle there and thing. But before that, like a while back, me have a virgin where him drop out and now. And some people we know, God rest him soul. Although in the last part, me and him never did too up like that, because the way me and that man usually move is like, you know, it did come turn out to a way where it never did fit turn out, you know. Because when I time him did me and him being a some money transaction, but up to the time nothing never did to go on for me and thing. And me did give him a piece of butter. And the piece of butter never work out at the time. So it's like, based on my understanding further down the line after what go on, me I realize say, get to understand say, him go our science man, and the science man set a Duppy for take me out. Alright. So the morning they know me I tell you say after me do so boom and done deal it where me I deal it, and me decide my mind say, yo, sit here do it, you know. So me do so boom you know and chat out. Do so boom and chat out in the morning there, you know. And rain did fall too. You understand? Because I drive the pickup the for all long. You understand? I drive the pickup for all long, and I tell you say, the way how I see the pickup operate that morning there. You understand? Even when time I come from Mobile in the morning there, on the stretch I come. I say every minute like something just out to make the pickup wash off the road with me. But me I say, this not normal, but me not really have to pay it no mind still, you know. Me did it and me a driver, come on all the way. Pick up battery just a with me, you know. I say, but wait, I'm going to pick up this morning. But like me say, it is as far as the east is from the west. In my mind, we say, you know, something wrong that way there, where me should I not worry about and thing. So, do so boom, you know, reach St. Anne's Bay. And when time I reach St. Anne's Bay, I come same treatment till me turn up through the road there, where you drop out of a money, where the road is name. Because I no come Fern Gully way, you know. You understand? I come up through the road there, and when time I reach up through the road there, you know, I do so boom, and when I reach there, so till me drop out of a money, I take my own little time. I go and come same treatment every minute. Like the pick up just intense, say, oh, you know, and stay up on the road with me. Anyway, like me say, in my subconscious mind, I not even pay attention to what I go on. You see, I not pay attention to what I go on still. Till when we reach up on the top of Mount Rasa, you know, reach up on the top of Mount Rasa and do so boom. And turn down the hill, you know. Turn down the hill. Me I come down my normal speed car. Them place a place where me drive regular. You understand? To and from Mobile, because in a time when that happened, them time by the toll road not even the up yet. Them in a work on the toll road. Because that happened to me like me say about 2012. Somewhere about there. And I said the blouse and skirt in the man after me to sub woman turn down hill. I remember me I drive, I come down behind one white Toyota Corolla, you know. I take me one little time I come down the hill, you know. And I tell us I come down behind the white Toyota Corolla, and when me I come down nice and easy. Everything jiggy and thing. And me say, me just feel, when time I do couple corner and come down one part there, me just feel when a Duppy pick up a van with me, like a little baby. You understand? Pick up a van with me like a little baby, and me say, me alone and God in the vehicle. And like, you know, when you're there beside somebody, and so me turn around and look, you know, like me I look on somebody beside me, you know. And me say, man, when a Duppy pick up a vehicle to rot it and throw it over the gully them, man, to rot it, me I tell you, say that idea there, right? That morning there, I swear, me say, yes, Lord. I lost me this morning, and this morning and me are dead. You understand? This morning me, and me say, I'll truck the them and fling off it, turn over. A good old man, me say, I got mercy. Me have on my seat belt. You understand? Now upside down, me go down in the gully. There. You understand? When people turn up, before me reach this up, I me say, that morning was not my morning. As you can see, me still there. You know, see it, and me, when it go down and it go rest on one big stone, you understand, right now me have a chop in my head. One of these days when time light and thing can show anybody the mark in my head when me get from that situation there. You understand? When it go down and the vehicle stop, you know, see it go down till the vehicle stop, and me just a boom and fly the seat belt and crawl out through the window of the vehicle. And by the time me crawl out through the vehicle window, I don't know. But them place they come like people. They there wait. By the time I crawl out through the window, one virgin me see. Did they? Ask me say if me alright. And when me look up, I go up in front of me. You understand? I want a woman that me see a sailor go up on the road. You understand? Fast like breeze. You know, see it? I mean, all them things that me never really tell people them things there, because you know sometimes you talk some things and people look on you and say you don't have no sense. You understand? But you know, at some point and some time in life you have to really talk. I really say you have to talk still, you know, but sometimes when you get a platform where you can talk, things will happen to you, and like many things will happen. You understand what I say? And quick and fast, man, Duppy woman disappear. The woman Duppy, the man send for me. And see me, God mercy and God grace. Still there same way. You understand? And when I time me out to faint and the virgin grabbed me. And I was able to walk from this and come up on the road. You understand? I was able to walk from this and come up on the road, and I did it till vehicle come on top and a band volunteer for carry me go to Linstead Hospital. And go to Linstead Hospital. That time they did a work on the road on a flat bridge there. And at the same time when the train they just start run back. And the people that will go there, people them shave out my head and stitch up my head. I get either 7 or 8 stitches in my head from the accident there. And the people send me to go down a Spanish Town Hospital, go do a scan to see, you know, because my neck, they have some, well, no, I never have no neck problem, but I tell me to get a neck brace at the time, and I never did get no neck brace because I never did think it is necessary. Although even though sometimes I have problem with my neck, I feel say from the same situation there. You understand? And I tell you some man, I go down a Spanish Town Hospital and the people do the scan and thing, but everything did alright. I end up ride the train. First time I ride the train in a Jamaica, go through the tunnel on a river with them, man. Yeah, man. And after that, me hear say him a boss, and I say, boy, lucky me not dead in the accident, but I God, you know. I God, man, and And that's other situation they go, man. See, my uncle drop out and me end up not even get to go a funeral and him so because the same time I want me to tell you say, me did scare about the road for about 1 year after that, me don't drive none at all. 1 year. Me not drive. Till me jump out back on the road and you know one more accident after that. Same type of treatment. And that one day. I tell you say, yeah man, try Duppy try that time and him not get me. And go back at the same treatment. Them time me work at Ibureau Star out of Lilliput. And me I come from work, man, when time. But I have to tell him about that one day in a different time. Same Duppy woman again. Same Duppy woman again. You understand? Knock me off a road. Take me off a road, you know. That's how the thing set, man. Yeah. So just a situation them man. Yeah, people no go and big up on yourself, you know. And remember to tune into Greatninizelda entertainment because that's how the thing there. Yeah man, I may tell you this a real happenings that happened to me personally. May I tell you about the Duppy situation, the man. 2 times seeing Duppy caused me being an accident over the same thing. You understand? That's how it goes still. Yeah man. Fina ranks. I'm out. Respect.